How to turn off Ask Permission on App Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off Ask Permission on App Store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you will need to head over to your screen time and then content and privacy restrictions. Now you can find your screen time right around here. Scroll down and it's right there. Tap on your screen time and then go to content and privacy restrictions. Now right here you will see iTunes and App Store purchases. If you have not turned on content and privacy restrictions, turn it on and then you will see iTunes and App Store's purchases. And right here you will see require password. Now make sure that you select the don't require one, and after you do that you will see installing apps, deleting apps and in-app purchases. Now if you want to turn off permission for them, you can simply head to one of them and then tap on don't allow. Now this will prevent you from installing apps. If you head over to deleting apps, you can just tap on don't allow and then you'll not have the permission to delete apps. And under require password, if you simply choose don't require, you will not require passwords to simply download apps now. And yeah, that is basically how you can turn off Ask Permission on App Store. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe.